Well, good evening. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon or in the evening, and I'm out on a solo mission to catch some fish. I'm still waiting on the new wheels for my Hobie kayak, so it's a bit of a process to haul that thing to the beach. So once the wheels come in, I'll be using that. So I'm on the old school Hobie. I'm gonna keep this kayak. I'm not gonna sell it. It's actually kind of nice having the two different types of kayaks because they both perform differently but yet have the same purpose. So yeah, so we're gonna head out and see what we can get. I only have about 3 hours, got to get back, and then I'm off to the Vancouver, to the city, so I got to get my fishing fix in now because I'm going to be off the water for about 5 days. So my rig is very simple, and you guys have seen me using it before. All it is just a frozen herring on 2 hooks, on 2 barbless octopus hooks. So yes, that's all it is. That's the setup. I've got a 4-ounce banana weight up top. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're on something here. Well, for sure this is gonna be a dogfish. Not really what I wanted first thing. You really get it to know what fish you're catching after you've been doing this for a little bit. With dogfish, they just tend to suck it in, and then they like give some really fierce head shakes. Yeah, I can see it right now. We're not even that deep. I'm surprised it's here. Oh, there it is. I mean, there was a guy that told me you could eat these, but I wouldn't eat them. I don't know. I just wouldn't eat them. But apparently they make good fish and chips. The biggest problem with catching these things is they really make a mess out of your line, which it did in this case. So anyways, we'll let it go. Here's a cool fish that I haven't caught in a long time. Really cool looking fish. This is a little kelp greenling, and I love the look of these guys. Okay. What a cool looking fish, eh? Look at that guy. Now, I didn't know this, but this is a lingcod is a species of kelp greenling. So just a little guy, little fella. Beautiful colors. Haven't caught one in a while. Really happy about that. All right, I'll let you go, buddy. There he goes. And he gone. Well, that was better than catching a dogfish. I got something here on the little nib on my old rod. Whoa. The thing about this rod is that it's so light that even the smallest fish. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is great. This is the first time I caught something on this lure, so I really hope it's not a dogfish. Oh, darn. Oh, it's a big red eye. Holy smokes. Oh, this guy's huge. Ah, I can't keep it though. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, and he's barely hooked. Okay, we gotta let it. Unfortunately, we can't keep these, but this is a, jeez, this is a big fish. All right, we have to save it. That's, all right, look at this guy. Holy smokes. Wow. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Jeez. He is huge. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got my other line. Okay. Man, this thing's... We gotta let it down. All right. He's a big old... Wow, look at how big he is. Look how big. Beautiful fish. Oh, unbelievable. Okay, we're gonna get you down where you belong. So what I need to do is get my descending rod out. Okay, and get him on the descender right away so he can go back down. Whoa. Hold on, bud. We're gonna let you go. As soon as I can. Yep. Hold on. I know. Okay. There he goes.
Hi there, good morning. Are you collecting one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. Day 2. I was out fishing last night, and I decided to come out fishing well, I was out fishing last night at times, and I thought I would come out this morning and fish first light. So here we are. Beautiful. Sun's just coming up over those clouds, and the conditions are looking pretty good. I have till about 9 o'clock this morning to do a little bit of fishing, and then I gotta head over to the mainland. It's a good fish. Heavy fish. Whew. Oh. That's a good one. Oh. Heavy. Come on. Oh yeah, it's a wing. That's a good sized ling. Alright, here we go. In the net. Whew. Oh. Whew. First fish. Good ling. Oh, it's been a while. Oh, it's close to keeper size. All right. Oh, that That was good. All right. Oh, good fight too. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh. All right. Oh, he's good. He's a good one. He's a blue one. There we go. Big blue lingy. I think this will be close to keeper size, so just give him a good measure here. Whew. Look at that. First light fish. Pretty happy. Pretty happy. Oh, he is just under. Or is he? I can't tell because he's all curved. One. Yeah, he's just under. He's 25 and a half, so we can't keep him. That's okay. Beautiful, eh? Woo! Love it. All right, buddy. We'll get you next time. I'm gonna let you go. Okay. Oh, thanks for playing. You just didn't make the cut. There he goes. Whoa. Oh. Oh. What was that? What was that? Oh. Okay. Whew. Some just took that line down. Whew. Seems to have kind of settled down a little bit here. Whatever it was not happy. Oh, it's a ling. Yeah, that's why. All right, it's just a small one though. Oh. He is not a happy ling cut. There we go. In the net, in the net, in the net. Whew. Okay, second ling. Just a little one. Well, the hook popped out, so he must have not been hooked very well. Huh. Tell this one's definitely not a keeper ling, but fun to catch. So fun to catch. They just pop right out of the hook. There we go. Second ling of the day. Beautiful ling. Small one, but nice colors. Not a happy fish. These are my favorite fish to catch. Just a lot of fun. Good fight. Beautiful fish. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'll let him go. Oh, I caught a little anchovy too. All right, buddy, I'll let you go. Well, the wind is starting to really pick up, and I think I'm gonna head in. It's about almost 9 in the morning. My line's still in.